Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Absolute little gem, beautiful this car. So 2013 on a 63 plate, Volkswagen Tiguan 2-litre TDI BlueMotion Tech. It's a match DSG, it's 4-wheel drive. It's done 67,000 miles. It is one owner from new, and it's lovely specification. You've probably noticed the glass panoramic sunroof. It has leather heated trim, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth. Right, one lady owner. Cam belt done at 60,000 miles. About 10 services, serviced at 5, 10, 16,000, 23, 30, 37, 43, 48, 55 and 60,000, and it had the cam belt done at 60,000. So mega history, front and rear park sensors, one lady owner, privacy glass aluminium roof rails, rear park sensors, Bridgestone tyre, lovely wheel, another Bridgestone Taranza, lovely, no, not stone chipped, front park sensors, super clean this car, as you'd expect from a one lady owner. We have the mats, they are at work just having a little clean. Spotless pan roof, tilt slides and an electric sunshade which works, leather multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, heated seats, climate control, self park, parallel park, and what's the other one called, but yeah, both types of parking assistant. You drive alongside the spot and it will park the car for you. Immaculate black leather, lovely leather trim. Picnic tables in the back, no dents, no scratches, no marks. This car is a beautiful 4Motion, so 4-wheel drive. I mean, value £8,995. What a lot of beautiful car. Space saver, spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, toolkit, alloy wheel locking key, all in the boot, all present and correct. Looks so nice in white. It's a really good looking car. Another Bridgestone Taranza, immaculate wheel. No marks on the paintwork. Another Bridgestone Taranza, not stone chipped, just lovely. Great spec, 10 services, one lady owner, 2 keys, electric windows, electric mirrors, heated mirrors, automatic headlamps, cruise control, tyre pressure monitoring, loaded this car, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, pan roof, heated leather seats, 2-zone climate control, electric handbrake, automatic, pan roof, nowhere to the electric leather driver's seat. This won't be here 5 minutes. £8,995, 10 services, cam belt done. MOT to the 29th of the 10th, 2025. What a beautiful car. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 2 years. You can thumb through those. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243 on YouTube, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh video into stock. You will get a notification of being one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.